I'm working on an animation of assembling a dining table, and I will now just turn on the animation, play, and what you're seeing here are some sub-assemblies of the table. This is a very large and heavy dining table. It's 8 feet long, and because it's so heavy, it's nice to have some sub-assemblies that allow a take-apart situation. So the first step was assembling those side assemblies and fastening them with these key wedges here. Then bringing down a heavy plank top, which is bolted then to the undercarriage. And lastly, there's a facing of a 3/4 inch facing here that is screwed on from the bottom of the planks, that inner top. So the top is actually 2 pieces. That is not plywood on the top. It would be glued up planks that are 3/4 inch thick. So this is a method of trying to compartmentalize the piece so that you can manage these components more easily.